Within Business Central, you may want to reconcile your customer ledger entries with your general ledger. And what we want to do is hop over to our chart of accounts and take a look at the customer balances. Here I've filtered my balance sheet by the code, the GL code range, which I know is for my accounts receivable on the balance sheet. And here you can see I've run a date filter for this period, this year, and I can see that I've had 32,641 is outstanding, and in foreign customers 102,828. So that's good, and if I want detail, I can click into that and see what's going on, which is great. All right, so we're going to go back to another window, and I'm going to look up the Reconcile, and we're going to run a report called Reconcile Customer and Vendor Accounts. On here, date filter, and let's go preview that. Let's zoom in. This report has given us some interesting information. We have customer domestic 2310. I can see here the indirectly posted amount of 32,641, and I can see the GL net change, the differences. Okay, I can see the customers foreign of 102,828, and that has zero difference. Now, if there is a difference, you'd need to then go and look in your system as to what has gone wrong and dig further into uncovering that.